Hey everyone, this is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, and welcome back to the Shack. Today I have some great news. I've been looking for something like HamClock for a while now to run on my Mac. I am a 100% Mac shop, with the exception of this one laptop here that I use to run N1MM for contesting. Other than that, this is the only Windows computer I have in my Shack. Since I sold my IT company in 2008, I switched to Mac because I was a long time Windows supporter, ran a Microsoft consulting company. So I moved away from Microsoft over to Mac and been a Mac user ever since 2008. One area I found that us hams using Macs kind of suffered in, and I apologize for my voice. I'm still recovering from the month-long worldwide award and a bit of a cold that I picked up during the month of January. HamClock. HamClock didn't run on a Mac, but today we do have a solution. So a ham by the name of Huber Thickman, I think that's how you pronounce his name, released just recently in January 2026 a version of HamClock for the Mac. And I'm going to show you how to go ahead and install it on your computer. I'll put all the links in the pinned comment and in the description so you can go reference them. But I want to thank Huber Thickman for making this. I kind of stumbled upon it this morning just doing a quick Google search, and I'm happy to see that we have a solution. So the first thing you want to do is click on one of the links in the channel description or in the pinned comment. We're going to go to this GitHub website here. I'll put the link on the screen. You're going to download the version for whatever Mac that you have. If you have an Intel processor or the Apple Silicon M series processor, download the version that you want for your computer, for the Mac that you have. The nice thing about this, everything is contained in the installation file. So there's nothing else for you to do other than click on the DMG file. We're going to go ahead and launch it. That's as easy as it is. We're just going to go ahead and launch it now. We're going to go through all the security warnings here. The next step is to choose your resolution. We're going to choose the 3200 by 1920. We're going to start HamClock, and then we're going to open it in the browser. You're going to put some basic information in here. I find if you just put your grid square in, that's easier than trying to mess around trying to find your lat long. That's all you really have to do. Click on done. I'm going to blur out some of the personal information here. Behind the scenes, it's running some updates and doing all the talking back to the main server. So you can just minimize this. And there you have it. Simple, simple. You can click on your call sign here to change the background if you want. All these options here are customizable. So if you want to, like I'm a big DXer and contester, so I want to see all the DXpeditions. So I click on DXpeditions. I click here, I want to see, I want to see who's on the air right now. So it gives me all the stations that are on the air. Well, here I might want to see, that's what I want to pick let's see on this section, I want to pick the live spot. And here I want to show maybe the space weather. Again, you can customize this to whatever you want to see. Your wants or needs are going to be different. In the map here, you can go ahead and customize this to whatever style you want. I like to see the countries. I don't need to worry about seeing any grid lines or anything like that. And I want to see the azimuth projection, because again, being a DXer, I like to see which way I need to point my beam. And again, these ones here are also all customizable. It'd be nice to see some. It'd be nice to see in the future things like POTA Spot and other on-the-air programs like that. But this is good. This is good for now. So there you go. Thanks to Huber Thickman for making HamClock. It's simple, easy peasy, not much to it. So if you want to go ahead and check it out, go to their website, download it for your Mac. It's really, really simple. I don't know what more I can add here. So I'll just sign off for now. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Again, apologize for my voice. Go ahead and check this out and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. We'll see you guys in the next video.